Beat It AT, what up? Beat It AT, what up? Beat It
What is going on, my brodies? It is me, Andrew Rapier here of Beat It AT Production and Publishing, bringing you guys a brand new YouTube video. In this YouTube video, I'm going to be going over this brand new free pack I am giving away to you guys, or anyone that's a member over at beatitat.com. Membership is free, only takes like, I don't know, like a minute if even to sign up. I'll put a link down in the description down below so you guys could check out the page for this kit, as well as if you're not a member, you can sign up instantly or log in and get access to the kit and download it for free. In this kit, it is the AT Thankful Producer kit. It has drum one-shots and samples, melody loops, MIDI files, mixer presets, and even some text resources. And drum, here's like some of the one shots. It has 808s, claps, snaps, cymbals, hats, effects, kicks, one shot samples, like, and percussions, as snares, what else, and the cymbals, hats, all that jazz, 808s. He has melody loops, and I even tossed in a couple samples. The samples are from the AT Dark Space sample kit, but in the AT Dark Space sample kit, there's like 20 samples. In here, I just tossed in 4. These are like samples that you get to actually, it's like a full song or like a song composition type situation, royalty free, so you can actually sample it and do some alterations to it, different than a loop per se, where a loop might just be like one melody or like 4 or 8 bars. This is more longer content for you guys to sample and turn something into your own. And then you guys can see all these different samples and loops I put in there. There's a ton, and mixer presets, just in case if you guys wanted to use some of the presets I use. I use the powerful standard kick. I use some of these 808s sometimes, and I use the half speed a lot. What else? So I figured I would go through and I'll just make a beat from something. I'll click through a couple different things, or we might just use a MIDI, because here's like, we got a decent amount of MIDI as well. Then we got chord files to help us figure out melodies. So if I dragged in like something like right there, it highlights all these chords. So if I insert my piano, when I go in here, it automatically puts in the chords. You see, so we already have our stuff on key. We also got those one-shot samples, so you guys could use that in place of a VST, in case if you guys didn't have a VST. I'll show you what I mean by that. I'm gonna copy that. I'm gonna turn off my Omnisphere real quick. But you can also load in those one shots inside of your Omnisphere. So if I pull up my custom preset bank, I'm giving you guys a lot of information, so I apologize if this is a lot of information tossed at you in a short period of time, but I want to kind of go over everything. I'll probably do another video. No, this isn't the one. I think it's at AT1. Yeah, And this is made partially with, it's made from the acoustic guitar one shot and then another element. Oh, we need to turn that off. So I'm just making a quick little beat. I mean, this is a basic little trap melody. We could probably even make this more. So we need to get this 808 corrected. Control A, Control L. Stretch that baby out. So it's technically on key, but technically it's not. Just something super basic. I mean, you guys could do a whole bunch of other stuff, obviously. Let me see. I'm gonna switch over to a different melody, or not melody, but sample. Got a little vibe going. Just a little vibe. And this pack is completely free, like all these samples, everything. If we grabbed one of the mixer states, I could show you how that kick works. Where's the mixer state? I switched between A and C. toss that one on there. Let's see what else. Let's see what else we could add to this little beat real quick. Just doing some little tweaks to it. Let me show you this one actually. We grab that one mixer state, half speed and reverb. That's just like one example. I mean, obviously, you guys could create whatever. This is just my thank you for the 14,000 subscribers. It means a lot. I know I'm kind of late. My plan is to normally do every 1,000 subscribers drop a new product, but since it's we're kind of like around like 14,400 right now, I figured might as well go overboard and toss a whole bunch of sounds in here. You might realize that some of these samples are from the other free kits, but there's some that are not, or plenty, not some, but plenty of them that are not, as well as numerous MIDI, the actual sample files for you guys to sample, and the text resources, which I didn't even get into in this video. Really, the text resources are mostly links to other YouTube videos, just so that you guys have instant access to it immediately rather than needing to search or scroll. But I also included a PDF document that covers some tips and information on how to use some of the files, as well as structuring your beats and popular BPM tempos and how the BPM tempos can affect the mood of your song or beat. I plan on doing another drum kit like this, so if we get up to the 15,000 subscribers, then there goes another free drum kit or whatever else I decide on dropping. You guys let me know what you guys think about this. I'll put the link to this down in the description down below so you guys can get access to it. If you guys, it's also going to be available over at the beatat.com downloads page, but putting a special link down in the description down below. Thank you guys. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the download, and hopefully you thought this video was helpful in some way. This is Andrew, Beat It AT Production and Publishing, and I'll see you guys later.